Truly, Mazda and rear-wheel drive enthusiasts now have reason to celebrate, as Mazda has teased the return of the beloved RX series with the new 2024 MAZDA RX7. Mazda's Kodo design philosophy has consistently delivered vehicles that balance beauty, elegance, and performance. The RX vision is expected to be no exception. The iconic Caspi concept, finished in viola red, uses a small two-rotor rotary engine as a power source for the battery, which also draws recycled energy from the drivetrain and brakes, so that it essentially drives like an EV, much like the Mazda MX-30R EV. The Mazda iconic Caspi concept is perhaps the most perfect modern rendition of the FD generation RX-7 S-lines yet. And, yes, it has a two-rotor rotary engine under that long hood. The design is simply flawless, inside and out. I think only the Ferrari Roma Coupe could possibly match it for grace and elegance. And the interior is just as beautiful as the exterior.